Come here.
Hi friends, and welcome to Tripinn. Today we're taking you on an exciting journey through the vibrant nightlife of Cairo, Egypt's legendary capital. As the sun sets over the Nile River, Cairo transforms into a city full of energy, colorful lights, bustling streets, rooftop lounges, lively cafes, and unforgettable entertainment. From historic neighborhoods to modern hotspots, we'll explore how locals and visitors enjoy the city after dark. Whether you're planning a trip to Egypt or simply love discovering new destinations, you're in for a fascinating night walk. So sit back, relax, and let's experience Cairo after dark together.
That's nice.
As we are walking through Khan el-Khalili, let's talk a little about its history. Khan el-Khalili is one of the oldest and most famous marketplaces in the Middle East. Its history dates back to the 14th century when it was established by Emir Jarkas al-Khalili during the Mamluk era. For more than 600 years, this bustling market has been a center of trade, culture, and daily life in Cairo. Merchants from Africa, Asia, and Europe once gathered here to exchange spices, textiles, jewelry, and precious goods. Today, while many of the products have changed, the market still retains much of its historic charm. As you walk through its narrow alleys, you'll find traditional shops, centuries-old architecture, and the vibrant atmosphere that has made Khan el-Khalili a symbol of Cairo's rich heritage.
وش الفرس البتاع دي حرام الوقت
نصين. يا فوق اطلع. تاخذ مواد الليل ولا تعمل ايه؟ ولا هتفقع الحلبات معها. شوية تناس.
It's going. How it goes. Always.
And while we're exploring Khan el-Khalili, here's something interesting. Many visitors come here for shopping, but the market is also famous for its traditional coffee houses. One of the most well-known is el-Fishawi Cafe, which has been serving guests for more than 200 years. Generations of locals, travelers, artists, and writers have gathered here to enjoy Egyptian tea, coffee, and lively conversations. Even today, sitting at one of these historic cafes is one of the best ways to experience the authentic atmosphere of Old Cairo. You know, one of the coolest things about Cairo is that it's home to one of the last remaining ancient wonders of the world. Just outside the city stand the Great Pyramids of Giza, which have been watching over this region for more than 4,500 years. Imagine living in a city where a quick drive can take you from busy modern streets to monuments that were already ancient when the Roman Empire existed. That's what makes Cairo so unique.
Come here.
كاميليا قلت لك